water.
Salt and water.
Bring that puppy on high for boil.
Oh yeah. Get that core out of there. Nice medium dice right there. What is that, a garlic clove?
Yeah, and we're going to...
Ooh. Come on, nice. Effortless.
drizzle.
So we got a pan warming, that, and we got some veggies.
Now we add the green pepper for some sauteing. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper.
Salt and pepper. What's that, garlic?
This is garlic to the green pepper.
Ooh, there we go. You stir it up.
Until fragrant.
That's nice.
Chicken sausage.
Mmm.
And goes the penne pasta.
Oh yeah, stir it up. Mm-hmm.
Tomato paste.
Oh yeah. All up.
We need to reserve a half a cup of the noodle water. And we're going to place that in our chicken sausage. Like so. Simmer down.
Is that cream cheese?
Philadelphia cream cheese. The original.
Oh yeah. Noodles almost al dente.
Half.
Parmesan? Oh, okay.
Half Parmesan.
Oh, yeah.
1 tablespoon butter.
Oh yeah. This one's got butter, cream cheese, tomato sauce,
Tomato paste.
tomato paste,
Chicken sausage.
chicken sausage,
Green peppers.
green pepper, salt,
Some
pepper,
garlic.
garlic. It's gonna go on.
This is
these
a
noodles.
homemade sauce. Season with salt and pepper.
Can you do pepper and salt? Because that's what you did.
Pepper and salt.
Oh, that's nice.
Stir it all up, mix it all together, and voila.
And that's it.
You got yourself some.
Top it off with a little Parmesan.
You want this last